Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this Octagon Sites review. Octagon Sites goes live on the 9th of February by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, we're going to be taking a close look at this product, but not only that, I've actually put together some high quality custom bonuses for you to get you the best results with Octagon Sites, and you are going to be able to get access to all these bonuses with Octagon Sites once this goes live 9th of February 10 a.m. Eastern Time, just by clicking on the link in the description. And also you are going to be able to click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. It's going to take you to the sales page of Octagon Sites, and then you are going to be able to pick this up. You are going to get access to the dashboard, and you are going to be able to start using this practically instantly. Now, Octagon Sites allows you to start creating your own profitable campaigns. Now, it comes preloaded with a number of done for you campaigns here. If you understand anything about affiliate marketing, you would realize, and of course this is also based on my own personal experience, that reviews are ways of driving completely free traffic to your affiliate marketing campaigns. So you do a product review, it could be written, it could be in form of video like this one that you are watching, and then there's going to be your link, which is going to be your own unique link, usually referred to as affiliate link. And when people actually click on this link, they go make purchases of this digital product, you are going to be getting paid, this commission. So I'm going to go straight to the point. Here in the dashboard of Octagon Sites, you are getting access to done for you campaigns. These are proven campaigns that have been tested. They've also been tweaked, and they've also, been worked on to ensure that they get you the maximum conversions possible. They've been tested, split tested. A lot of things that's actually gone into these campaigns. Now you are going to be getting high converting clickbank product. These are top converting clickbank product, warrior plus product that have been selected for you. Now you can see the number of done for you campaigns on your account. You can also see total number of page views across all your campaigns. You can see total number of campaigns you've created, and also one good thing is people are going to be able to give you their emails. You're going to be able to capture leads, and then you can easily export your leads. Also, you can take them wherever you want, which is very amazing. Now, a lot of shiny objects that you would see today wouldn't even give you the opportunity to capture your leads, and therefore this is basically limiting how much you can actually make when we talk about affiliate marketing. So you can also preview your site just by clicking on the preview site button in your dashboard. You can basically see your done for you reviews here. You get access to them, and this comes not just with these done for you reviews. They also come Octagon Sites also come with funnels. You are going to be getting access to done for you funnels, and then you can easily use these templates without having to pay any monthly fees. This comes with just a one-time fee. You can easily preview your funnels. If you click on preview, you can see how this looks like. You will be able to customize these and basically use them to capture leads, but not just that, to promote any affiliate products. Because when people land on these pages, they give you their email addresses, based on what you are actually promising them right here, which you can customize to use with anything. You can give away lead magnets. You can send them directly to your affiliate links. They will need to give you their contacts in form of email addresses. They click on getting that instant access. You get these leads, they get access to your affiliate link or whatever it is you are promising them. Now, these are 100% customizable, which is very, very interesting. So you are getting access to a ton of value here if you go to profiles, you would be able to add your own clickbank affiliate link, and when you do that, all the clickbank product reviews become practically your own affiliate links. You can add your website title right here, and of course you can upload any profile image you want to, and then when you do that, you click on save. It basically updates your profile for you. Everything is set for you to profit with, and of course you have access to warriorplus products also. And one major reason why I actually recommend Octagon Sites, it allows you, even in just the front end, to create unlimited campaigns. This is something is practically giving you lifetime access, and also allowing you to create unlimited campaigns in the front end. Unlimited campaigns for done for you funnels, using any of the funnel templates, unlimited campaigns, reviews, and practically anything you want to do, you would be able to create unlimited campaigns inside your members area. You also get access to training as well. There are videos here that actually shows you not just how to create your campaigns, also the best way to drive completely free traffic in such a way that it makes this profitable for you, even as a complete newbie, someone who has zero experience when we talk about profiting with affiliate marketing here, which is amazing. Also, more product reviews are going to be added continuously, which is amazing. So many people don't have the time to create these product reviews, so you are going to be getting access to this being constantly added, especially for top converting clickbank and warriorplus product. And it only makes sense to get this at just a one-time low fee. So now I'm going to run through all the custom bonuses that I'm giving you in addition to Octagon Sites. And you're going to be getting access to 50,000 ChatGPT prompts. Now, these are prompts that allow you to get the best out of ChatGPT. You can easily, put in these well-engineered prompts to get you the best results with ChatGPT. The quality of your prompts will determine the quality of the output you are going to be getting from ChatGPT, or basically any other AI platform you are going to be using. Also, 10,000 plus responsive WordPress themes and plugins. You are also going to be getting access to Shopify themes, Joomla templates, HTML websites you can just basically use as it is. You're also getting access to 5,000 plus social media templates that you can customize with the free Canva or with Photoshop, whichever one is easier for you to use. You're also going to be getting access to some free traffic cloud-based software too. You're going to be getting access to the pro version of Commission Loader, which basically is self-updating traffic websites that allow you to get completely free organic traffic to your done-for-you custom affiliate marketing funnels, which you are going to be able to add your own affiliate links to, which is amazing. Also, you are going to be getting access to the front end of traffic pull software that basically gives you access to templates, bonus page templates just like this one, where you can easily select the done for you bonuses there, which you are going to be getting access to hundreds of bonuses inside the members area. Now you can use any of the done for you templates to create your own bonus pages. And from my own experience, offering bonuses allows you, gives you this edge over any other person promoting this same product, because if anybody gets this products through you, they are going to be getting more. That's your bonuses will be on top of it, which is an encouragement also, and actually helps you drive conversions. You are going to also get the opportunity for me to allow you use my own software. You are going to be able to launch this as your own software. You can change the name, you can do quite a number of things. Basically, this is going to be set up as yours, and then you are going to be able to launch it and keep 100% of the profit. Also, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to a premium video where I am going to be showing you exactly one easy way that allows you to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing, and you also get white label rights to this, meaning you can also give this away as your own product if you wish to. Bonus number 8, you are also going to find out how to create your own website with WordPress with zero coding. No need to write even a single line of code. And if you want to turn it to a website that you can basically sell any product on, you are also going to find out how to do that as well. And a ton of other high quality bonuses, which are completely free traffic bonuses and also completely cloud based. So to get access to Octagon Sites with all these bonuses, all you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this page. It's going to take you to the sales page of Octagon Sites, where you're going to be able to pick it up. So it says automated winning clickbank and warrior plus digital product review sites, generates easy $60 to $100 days on free autopilot traffic swarming through your affiliate links. You are going to be able to create unlimited campaigns. Of course, you don't need any technical skills with this. Come check out the video here. You can click on the unmute button to be able to get access to the audio of that VSL, of that video sales letter right there. Feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time to get more information about this product. Once this goes live, 9th of February by 10 a.m. Eastern time, there's a lot of proof and there's a lot of information right here, which would basically help you. So that's my review of Octagon Sites. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.